Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 953 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying out a new Dollar Tree makeup product. This is from LA Colors, one of my all-time favorite makeup brands. And here I have their new Velvet Lip Mousse that I picked up in the shade Whipped, which looks like this amazing red lipstick. And like I said, I got this at the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. I am seriously obsessed with LA Colors Dollar Tree makeup, and I always get so excited when there's more products that I haven't tried yet, and there's always more products coming out, so it's so exciting and fun for me. It says, enjoy a bold lip look. Velvet Lip Mousse wraps the lips in saturated on-trend hues that dry matte but feel velvety and comfortable on the lips. Now that sounds perfect. And then they even have little instructions on the back, and it says can be worn alone or with your favorite lip liner and gloss. So I just love LA Colors for bringing trendy makeup products to the Dollar Tree at an amazing price. So $1 for this full-size lipstick. And so let me start out by checking out the applicator. Great, a small doe foot. I love this type of applicator. Oh my gosh. This has that vanilla scent, like that classic lip glossy type of scent. Oh my gosh, such a pleasant surprise. I did not expect this to have a nice scent to it. Oh, but I love that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Oh my gosh, that's an amazing red. It's such a true red lip shade. Looks like it has great pigment. Okay, I'm so excited to wear a red lip right now. Let's see how it is when I apply it. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. It feels like I'm painting onto my lips. Wow, yeah, you just need one layer and you get perfect full opaque color. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this formula. It has the most beautiful texture. Oh my gosh, and this color. It's the type of shade that I feel like makes my teeth look so white, and I love it. And oh my gosh, is this comfortable. Like my lips before I applied this, per usual, were dry. Now, my lips look hydrated. They look smoothed out. It's completely even color. This is so beautiful. Such a perfect formula and perfect texture. And then, of course, the shade is amazing. But they said that you could use this with your favorite lip liner and a lip gloss, and you definitely could, but you do not need to. This is a red lip, and if there's any feathering on the edges, it's going to show. But the edges of this are so crisp, I don't even feel like I need a lip liner, and I always feel like I need a lip liner when it comes to red lipsticks because I really want a precise shape. But this formula is not the least bit feathering, and this small applicator is very precise. And then the finish on this. It's got like a creamy velvet finish that I don't think I would put a lip gloss over this because I just love the texture that this has because my lips look hydrated and they feel hydrated. And there's a little bit of shine, but not too much shine. It's just seriously one of my favorite lipstick formulas I have ever worn. And the fact that it's $1 is just mind-blowing. I don't know how LA Colors does it. I have to say, I am mad at myself for not getting this in other colors. So if you have this in any other shades, let me know which ones are your favorites and which ones you would recommend, because I am running out to the store to buy more of these. This is so perfect. Everything about it is perfect. One last test that I want to see is how much transfer there is. Are you serious right now? It has such a comfortable hydrating, creamy feel that I was thinking I was going to have a full kiss mark of transfer, and I don't. It's 100% perfectly intact, minimal transfer, and it still looks perfect on my lips. How did they do this? It's the best liquid lipstick, and it's $1. I just don't know how. I don't believe it. I am mind blown. If I was trying this formula out, this color, everything about this, and I didn't know that I got it from LA Colors or the Dollar Tree, I would seriously think this is a $30+ lipstick. It's that amazing of a formula. I hope my words are expressing how truly amazing this liquid lipstick is. It's everything I want. Comfortable, long-lasting, hydrating, beautiful. Okay, I think you get it. I'm not gonna stop raving about this though. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. I'm gonna be recommending it to everybody. I think everyone needs this lipstick. And for $1, I think I need to stock up on this lipstick, because once I run out of this, I am going to be so sad because I don't have another long-lasting, comfortable liquid lipstick that I love as much as this one. Wow, well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.